How to log in Vestjysk Bank account online. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. Then at the top search bar, simply type in Vestjysk login. Once you have done that, you will see its official website that says Netbank login. Click onto it. It will show you in Danish language. Switch it to English. Then click onto the blue icon that says login. Again, switch your language and here type in your credentials. Once you have entered your credential, if you like the site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says remember user ID. Once done, click on to next. And at the next page, you will be required to enter your passcode. And once you have done that, if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your account, and this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.